Hey guys, welcome back. We're on day 3. So yeah, guess what we're gonna play? You might know what it is. We'll see. So this is when we're gonna get the epic comeback, you guys.
It's time, guys. This is it.
So yes, we're gonna win big, dream big, you guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, you guys, we are here at the Buffalo Gold Revolution, and
Let's go, Buffalo.
look at that beautiful Grand and Major, you guys. And
this is the machine.
This is the machine, the exact machine I won the Grand on. So come on, let's do it. Let's strike lightning twice. Let's do it.
Is it possible?
It's possible. And that's a huge, because that's on 2 cents. That's funny. So look how much it changes.
Hey, that's still amazing.
Hey, but that's still amazing.
Yeah.
So that's on 1 cent. So
right,
let's go. Come on, Buffalo.
So on this version, it can change the animal symbols to Buffalo?
Yeah, it's a random feature on this. Yeah, the animals can switch over, and it can be like just the elks or just the cougars. Oh, nice. There we go.
Yeah.
And I've actually gotten all the animals to switch over on a line head. Super rare. Hey, incredible! Nice. You like it, Mama? I don't know. She was looking at the other game. We won. She's looking at that guy's machine.
I know, huh?
What were you watching? She's watching the other guy. She thought we lost.
Mama's rocking the merch today.
Yeah,
I just realized that Yoshi shirt and the hat.
Let's see.
Oh, Mama.
She's wearing the shirt. You don't have to bet big to win big, and YoshiSlots hat. There you go. That's available in our merch store, and the merch store is linked in our description, you guys. And we actually are going to be having some new designs coming out, so stay tuned, right?
For the holidays.
Yep, for the holidays, you guys. Hey, $20.
And it's going to be limited edition, guys.
Oh yeah, limited edition.
Grab them all the time.
Oh, that Grand 7200. Come on.
Bonus coming.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Oh. Oh, the coffee tastes so good, so delicious. Okay. Oh, that's what we need to switch over.
Right. I'm not much of a coffee drinker, but here at Verona, it's amazing.
Oh yeah.
What they do with it.
Yeah. Shout out.
Be a coffee drinker.
Oh yeah, shout out to Verona. They got the best coffee. I remember, okay, there we go. But it didn't line up right. Dang, that one. But yeah, there we go. That's a random feature. Yeah. Yeah, I remember one time we came here, I had like 5 cups of coffee.
You were hyper that day.
I was so wired. Oh my God.
I was like, what
I
happened?
told you to get some. She said she needs some.
Oh, now she needs some.
Yeah, she's tired.
I'll find you some.
Oh God.
Mom, is it free? Yeah, they come around. We'll see.
Come on. I don't do sweet. Here she is. Splenda. You want Splenda too?
Oh, can I get some Splenda in it?
Mama getting her coffee. Okay, I like to do 75 cents, you guys. I like to go 75 cents, $1.50, and then occasionally I will do $2.25. $2.25 is the one I did win the Grand on. And I usually don't bet that high. For me, that's high. But I was ahead that
there
day.
You go, Mama.
There you go. Mama got her coffee.
It's hot.
If I'm ahead, you know, I don't mind betting, you know, a few spins on those bigger bets. Oh, no, because it's hot.
No, because he likes it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, come on.
Like we were saying yesterday, which if you missed yesterday's video, you guys, it is linked in the description. All the videos that we're doing. So far I've done day 1, day 2. But yeah, I've done a $10 bonus. I got a $10 bonus on, what was it, Buffalo Link. That was fun.
On a $10 bet.
Yeah.
Change the symbols.
Come on, that's what we need to change the symbols. Yes, 275. And this is if this isn't hitting you guys, we're gonna, the whole bank is open, so we're gonna switch it to a different one. It's not hitting. Come on, do it. Oh.
I like when it does the suspense spin.
Oh, you do? Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Come on. Do one. No. Uh-oh.
That's you. Do it.
Okay, do it.
So on this machine, I've started with 12 heads twice.
Oh, yeah.
Horrible bonuses.
Oh yeah, that's true, you guys. So that is a feature in this. So when you get the bonus, because I don't know if we're gonna get it, you can start off with heads. And kind of people say that's like cheating. That's what people say that. But yeah, you can start off with the heads. My brother was saying he started off with 12 heads twice. But yeah, you never know because those can be horrible bonuses. Yep. And then it's all about getting those coins and re-triggers. Okay. Oh, it didn't line up. We missed it right there. We got $8. A little something. We needed something right there. Okay, we're ready for a bonus. Come on.
Come on.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna end it here. We're gonna switch over to the next one. Okay, guys, we cashed out our ticket. We were right there. So now we moved over, and look at this major is actually higher.
Nice.
Nice. Let's do it. Let's do it. And that's a nice grand too.
Let's get the major. I want to say it's live.
Oh, can you turn up the volume?
Oh,
There
yeah.
you go. Yeah, let's get it live.
Pre-recorded live.
Pre-recorded live.
Well, do you guys like these live sessions we've been doing? Because the whole time we've had the channel, it's always been just bonuses mainly.
Yeah.
With a little live slot play. So let us know what you guys think of us recording our live slot play.
Yeah, let us know. Mama says I like it.
You like it, Mama?
I like it.
Okay, come on. Okay, we got the 10, something. That's what we need to switch over. Look at those animals. Oh, they got the new one there. Wow, I've been wanting to play that. It has multipliers.
You what?
They have the new olive board here. It has multipliers. I played that at G2E.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yeah, it has multipliers.
That could be huge.
Ooh, come on. Yeah, any game with multipliers, I love it.
Right?
Ooh, I saw the 3. It went by.
Next one.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, these buffaloes have...
90?
Yeah. These buffaloes have been mean today, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, we're gonna end it here. We gave it a try.
You guys for watching.
Yeah, thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Love you guys.